Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. There's a beautiful song that once in a while we sing in the Mass. Hindi kita malilimutan. Hindi kita malilimutan. Okay. It was composed by Father Manoling, a Jesuit, and was popularized by Basil Valdez. Once in a while, you hear it during funeral march, yung mga inililibing, yun ang pinatutugtog. That song, Hindi Kita Malilimutan, is quite unique because it is not the singer who says the word. It is God who says the word through the singer. Hindi kita malilimutan is God telling us, telling the people, I will never forget you. That song, Hindi Kita Malilimutan, was inspired by the first reading of today, Isaiah 49. Here in the first reading, Zion, which is Jerusalem, said, "The Lord has forsaken me. My Lord has forgotten me." This is the cry sometimes of many of us. Nakalimutan na ako ng Diyos. Nakalimutan na tayo ng Diyos. But what did the Lord say to Zion or Jerusalem? Can a mother forget her infant? Which is quite impossible. How can a mother forget her infant? But then, even, the Lord said, even should she forget, even how impossible it is for the mother to forget, even if she forgets, I will never forget you. That was the assurance of the Lord to Jerusalem. And that is also the assurance of the Lord to us. Makakalimutan ba ng ina ang kanyang anak? Ngunit kahit na malimutan ng ina ang kanyang anak, hindi kita malilimutan. My dear brothers and sisters, this is an assurance to us that God will always be with us. Tayo ang kuminsan ang nakakalimot. Di ba? Tayong nakakalimot sa Diyos. Naalaala lamang natin ng Diyos kapag tayo ay merong kailangan. Lumalapit lamang tayo sa Diyos kapag tayo may hihingin. Nagsisimba lang tayo, kuminsan, kapag meron tayong ipinagdarasal. Kaya tingnan nyo, marami ang mga nagsisimba dahil merong board exam. Marami ang nagsisimba dahil malapit na ang bar. Marami ang nagsisimba, dahil nag-a-apply na masakay ng barko. Marami ang nag-a-apply dahil may malubhang karamdaman. Pero pagkatapos nun, nakalimutan na ang Diyos. Nabanggit ko to na isang araw. During COVID-19, ang daming sumusunod sa Healing Rosary for the World. Inaabot na about 3,000 viewers every Wednesday at 9 p.m. kasi COVID. Pero ngayon, yung Wednesday Family Rosary, kumisan 1,000 lang, 1,002. We will forget God. We do forget God. But God will never forget us. Kaya sa tanong, naaalaala pa ba ako ng Diyos? Ang simple at maliwanag na sagot ay, yes. Because God will never forget. Ito yung sinasabi sa atin ng Panginoon sa Ebanghelyo. My Father is at work until now. So I am at work. God continues to work. Because the moment God stops working, all of us will stop living. Isang segundo lang na huminto ang Diyos sa kanyang paggawa, tapos tayong lahat. God continues to work because God continues to love. Ito ang ipagpasalamat natin sa Panginoon sa misang ito. Pasalamatan natin ng Panginoon sapagkat hindi niya tayo malilimutan. Amen.
Please stand.
As we bring our petitions before the altar of God, let us ask for the strength and faith to abide by His will. To every petition, our response would be, Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.